Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's discuss today hiring. Okay, currently Microsoft is hiring for the software engineers. So and the location is Bangalore. So let's discuss the role and responsibilities. Okay. So as a software engineer in the Bangalore team, you will tackle real world challenges spanning system software, AI integration, and cloud technologies. Okay. And you will drive impact by designing, implementing, and maintaining critical system level software components, device drivers, and multi threaded services for Windows and Linux platforms. Okay, and collaborating closely with hardware, firmware, silicon, and platform teams to ensure seamless, high performance integration. Investigating complex technical issues such as performance bottlenecks and hardware software integration challenges. Driving code quality through rigorous testing, automation, and modern CI/CD practices and the working on scalable systems that may utilize technologies like C or C++, Java, Spring, Spring Boot, microservices, Kafka, MongoDB, and Azure. Okay, so this is the responsibility. Eligibility criteria like to qualify for this software engineer role at Microsoft Bangalore, candidates need a strong technical foundation. The requirements vary slightly by a specific team. Okay. Like example, staff software engineer versus software engineer. Second. But generally includes uh, requirements vary like this. Okay. Or according to the role and all. But the basic generally which must be mandatory is like 3+ years experience in system software development with a strong proficiency in C or C++. Technical skills like a deep understanding of memory management, concurrency, and multi-threading concepts. Education, BTech, MCA, MSc, MTech, or equivalent degree in computer science or related fields. So, for broader roles, 2+ years in IT with Java, Eclipse, Maven, Git, and unit testing experience. So, this is the requirements. Okay. And this is the preferred qualification. If you have, then it is a bonus for you. If you don't have, then also it is fine. Okay. Like experience with kernel mode, user mode, debugging, familiarity with PCI or SOC platform, and then knowledge of cloud platforms like Azure or OpenShift, databases like MongoDB, and microservices architecture. This is the plus. If you have, then it is good. Exposure to ML, generative models, scripting like Python or Bash, scripting, and open source contribution. So this is the requirements, this is the eligibility criteria which Microsoft is looking for the role of the software engineer. So those who are good fit for this opportunity, so please go and apply for this as well as soon as possible. Okay. Next update is from the Qualcomm. Qualcomm is hiring for the fresher and engineer roles in Hyderabad. So let's discuss here what you will do as an engineer associate. Okay. So tackle software or hardware task in 5G, chip design or embedded systems. Okay. Collaborate on prototyping and testing new wireless features, debug code, run simulations, and support product integration. Learn from mentors while contributing to live projects. document findings, and iterate based on team feedback. So, this is the responsibility which you have to perform there. Who fits the bill means eligibility and skills. Let's discuss. You will need a BTech or MTech in ECE, CSE or related field. Okay, 2026 freshers are idle. Brush up on C or C++, Python, data structure, and basics of wireless comms or VLSI. Okay, and soft skills like problem solving and teamwork sign here. This is the soft skill. Qualcomm values quick learners over perfectionists. If you are a quick learner, then it is a you are a good fit for this role. Okay. No prior experience required, but personal projects or internship can give you an edge. Okay. And if you are passionate about tech that connects the world, you are in the right place. Okay. So, how to apply for this? So, head straight to the official link and submit your details. Okay. At first, this fill up quick. Use tools like our salary estimator to gauge expectations or career path planner for a long term mapping. So please go to this official link of official portal and then apply for this as soon as possible. So please go through these all the details, and if you are good fit for this opportunity, so please go and apply. Next update is from Cognizant, and Cognizant is hiring. It's of course off-campus hiring. So let's discuss the what is the role and responsibilities here. So participate in training programs to build foundational knowledge and skills. Support project teams by assisting with assigned tasks and deliverables. Engage with technology focused learning to bridge academic knowledge and practical application. Okay, and collaborate with team members under guidance to execute project related activities, contribute to documentation and unit testing where applicable. So, this is the responsibility. Eligibility and skills like recently graduated or graduating in 2026 with a degree in engineering, computer science, IT or related fields. Okay, they are eligible for this. Okay, basic understanding of programming concepts and software development life cycle. Good communication skills to interact effectively within teams. Willingness to learn new technologies and adapt to client requirements. And problem solving mindset and attention to detail. So, this is the eligibility and the skills. Okay. So, how to apply for this? Interested candidates should visit the official job page to verify all details before applying. Okay, so you have to go to the this official page of this company Cognizant, and then you have to verify all the details before applying, and then if you are good fit for this, so please apply for this. So that's all for today. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.